But what you saying, Jenny? Me saying a hot minute, you know.
We're going to say that it's been a hot minute for real. You want to know something? My mother told me that I can't come out my house because of COVID-19. I know we ain't safe out there for a little bit, but still I just have some fun though.
Well, my say can't leave the house unless I'm vaccinated.
But you won't scared of the vaccine?
Nah, sis, the vaccine's safe.
VI people, you must stay at work. COVID-19 is not a joke. It's much more than good hygiene. Give your children the vaccine. Education is the golden rule. Children need in-person school. They miss music, dancing and sports. Vaccination is better than worse.
I want the COVID vaccine. Give me the COVID vaccine. It's safe, mommy. The vaccine safe, safe, safe. I want to see my friends and family. Playing with them makes me happy. It's safe, mommy. The vaccine safe, safe, safe.
Children can become infected, get sick, and spread COVID-19 to others. Widespread vaccination is a critical tool to help stop the pandemic. People who are fully vaccinated can resume activities that they did prior to the pandemic. The MCH division encourages you to get your children ages 12 years and older vaccinated.
I want the COVID vaccine. Give me the COVID vaccine. It's safe, mommy. The vaccine safe, safe, safe.
Brought to you by the Virgin Islands Department of Health MCH program.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Hey, you.
Hey, babe. Thanks for lunch.
You're welcome. Who is that?
That was a representative from the Virgin Islands Department of Health. They're doing a survey called BRFSS.
Oh, for what?
It's to address chronic diseases facing the Virgin Islands. Diabetes, heart and kidney disease, cancer, stroke, and more.
What kind of questions do they ask?
They ask questions about food, exercise, age, smoking, and some others.
Is that all they ask? Do they ask questions about...
Security? No. They don't ask anything about Social Security, money, or credit card information. The information that they do collect is used to guide public health programs that affect all of us. You, me, the kids, the community,
and the entire Virgin Islands.
Oh, okay. Very interesting. I'm glad we could do our part to help.
Yes, we've got to do our part.
For more information, visit our website or call John Orr at 340-643-5422.
The Atlantic hurricane season begins on June 1st and lasts through November 30th. Please take necessary steps to protect you, your family, and the community.
Begin collecting supplies such as bottled waters and non-perishable food, batteries, radios, games for children.
Don't forget about your pets and especially your elderly family. Take time now to trim trees, install or check shutters, talk to children about hurricanes and allow them to pack their own go bags.
These activities can help reduce anxiety in the event of a storm. We're a small community.
Together we can ensure our islands, homes and families remain prepared for hurricanes.
Register for Alert VI emergency notification by visiting vitema.vi.gov. Make a plan.
Be prepared.
Stay informed.
Good day. Welcome to the Government House Weekly Press Briefing and COVID-19 update for the week of October 12th, 2021. For the benefit of the radio listening audience, I am Government House Communications Director Richard Mota. I'm joined this afternoon by Dr. Ellis, who is here on behalf of Health Commissioner Justa Encarnacion to share the latest COVID-19 data and information on where Virgin Islanders can get a free COVID-19 test and vaccine this week. Also joining me today is Ms. Farida Carmichael to announce the winners of the Healthcare Heroes Special Drawing on behalf of Director Raymond Williams of the Virgin Islands Lottery Office. So before we continue on, as we move into this week's update, I will turn over the briefing to Dr. Ellis. Dr. Ellis?
Good afternoon, and thank you, Director Mota. As of October 12th, 2021, a total of 191,254 tests have been conducted in the territory. Of those tests, 6,965 individuals have tested positive. The 7-day positivity rate is 2.77%. There are currently 161 active cases in the territory, 134 on St. Croix, 2 on St. John, and on St. Thomas, also 2, which is actually a mistake, so I'll correct that number before the end of this press briefing. There's been 6,729 cases that have recovered, and unfortunately there have been 75 fatalities. Of the 75 individuals who have died due to COVID-19 complications, 51 have died since the COVID-19 vaccine has been available in the territory. Of those 51 individuals, only 1 was fully vaccinated. The COVID-19 vaccines work to save lives and prevent severe illness. I encourage you to use one of the best tools against the virus by getting vaccinated. And regarding the active cases, let me go ahead and update those now so everybody has the most current numbers. There are 134 active cases on St. Croix, 25 on St. Thomas, and 2 on St. John. So apologies for that. From our hospitals, Juan F. Louis Hospital reports 6 COVID cases, 1 of which is vented. And Schneider Regional Medical Center reports 2 COVID cases, 0 patients vented. Reminder, we will continue to offer monoclonal antibody treatments to unvaccinated or partially vaccinated COVID-19 positive patients. You are encouraged to accept this treatment early when the treatment team contacts you. Early intervention is crucial. If you have had COVID-19, you can get the COVID-19 vaccine as soon as you recover. To get vaccinated, please call 340-777-8227 or simply walk into any of our community vaccination centers. You can also schedule an appointment online at covid19usvi.com/vaccines. Families can also call the hotline to schedule an appointment for homebound relatives. Our mobile strike team will come to the homes of homebound individuals. The current schedule for pop-up vaccinations is Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 to 1 p.m. at the Charles Harwood Complex on St. Croix, Tuesdays and Thursdays from noon to 3 p.m. at Costules on St. Thomas, and Wednesdays from 1 to 4 p.m. at the Port Authority Gravel Lot on St. John. The St. John location also has free COVID-19 testing available. The Department of Health is also providing free COVID-19 vaccines on St. Croix at the market, formerly known as Plaza Extra West, every Wednesday in October from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., and at the Farmers Market at the Agricultural Fairgrounds on Centerline Road every Saturday in October from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., and on St. Thomas at the market formerly known as Plaza Extra Tutu every Monday in October from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. For individuals who meet the criteria for the $250 gift card incentive program, distribution continues Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on St. Croix and St. Thomas at the community vaccination centers, and 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Morris de Castro Clinic on St. John. These sites will be open until November 30th. If you are unable to pick up your card by the deadline, we will announce how you can get your card at a later date. Please bring your vaccination card or a digital vaccine record and a valid picture ID. Homebound persons who are unable to retrieve their gift card at the distribution sites have the following options. Send someone on their behalf with a notarized letter or authorization or attestation. If a verification letter cannot be notarized or an attestation obtained, then the recipient can be called for verification. Provide verbal authorization and the pickup person is issued the card. Then the homebound person must sign a receipt that is returned to the distribution center. Alternative to homebound who can't get a letter notarized, card can be delivered to the homebound person via Department of Health staff. Soldiers deployed, persons off island for medical reasons, or persons in school off island have the following options. Send someone on their behalf with a notarized attestation to pick up the card. Parents or guardians are permitted to pick up their child's gift card in the child's absence, but must present a valid picture ID and the child's picture ID or a birth certificate, which should correspond with the information in our system. Children under 18 cannot pick up the card without an adult. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and the Department of Health's Family Planning Program is offering free breast cancer screening and education at the market on St. Croix and St. Thomas on October 29th from 9 to 1 p.m. We are encouraging you to wear pink that day. Early detection saves lives. To keep up with the latest information, including COVID-19, epidemiology, and vaccine data, please visit the U.S. Virgin Islands Department of Health Facebook page or our website at www.covid19usvi.com. And for COVID-19 health information alerts, text COVID-19 USVI to 888-777. Also, congrats to all 6 of our Healthcare Hero Lottery winners, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Ellis. Before we move on this afternoon, there have been a number of changes to our strategy to fight against the spread of COVID-19 in our territory over the last 20 months. Each is the result of us learning something about this virus that we didn't know before, and in the interest of keeping our people safe and our economy afloat. And while those strategies drew their share of praise and sharp criticism, what remained clear and consistent over the last 20 months is how to keep yourselves and your loved ones safe. Wearing your mask, practicing social distancing, avoiding mass gatherings, and yes, getting the vaccine. The simple precautions. Today, we have 161 active cases in the territory and a 7-day positivity rate of 2.77%. And while that is a significant improvement from the September surge, there is still a concern. Of the 161 active cases in the territory, 134 are on the island of St. Croix. That means 83% of the active recorded cases in the territory are on one island. So, with that, we are urging St. Croix residents to take precaution. You are at risk, and you should take particular caution until the numbers on St. Croix start to subside. But even for residents of St. Thomas and St. John, don't let the ebbs and flows in the number of active cases on a particular island determine how you should protect yourself. Today, our message is to urge you not to think that because there are a certain number of cases on the island you reside in, you are safer or less at risk, and therefore don't have to take those simple precautions. Take the simple precautions, please. As I mentioned at the top, here to announce the winners of the Healthcare Heroes special drawing is Ms. Farida Carmichael on behalf of Raymond Williams from the lottery office, from the Virgin Islands Lottery Office. Ms. Carmichael.
Good afternoon, Director Mota. Thank you. On behalf of the Director, Raymond J. Williams, I am pleased to announce the Healthcare Heroes winners. F. Louis Hospital, $25,000. We have a second place, Tisha Ballantyne from the Governor Wang F. Louis Hospital with $10,000. And Mr. Eugene Graham from the Fredericksdale Health Center with $5,000. In the St. Thomas St. John District, in the first place, Roberta Francis Thomas, Snyder Regional Medical Center for $25,000, and Miss Jessica Wilson, Snyder Regional Medical Center with $10,000, and Dwayne Jones, VI Dental Center with $5,000. Again, congratulations to those on behalf of the Virgin Islands Lottery and Director Raymond J. Williams. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Carmichael. Congratulations again to all of the winners. Thank you for taking your best shot and for doing your part to help protect our community. And of course, thank you for all that you have done on the front line to help our community in the fight against the spread of this pandemic. I also want to take this opportunity on behalf of Governor Bryan and Lieutenant Governor Roach to wish all of our ER nurses in the territory a happy Emergency Nurses Week. So if you see an ER nurse today, or you happen to know one, certainly wish them a happy ER Nurses Week. As a reminder, the Virgin Islands Housing Finance Authority is issuing benefit payments to families and individuals eligible to receive benefits under the Emergency Rental Assistance Program. Governor Bryan is encouraging eligible Virgin Islanders to take advantage of this program while there is still time. It can be used not only for rent, but for utilities as well. For more information on the Virgin Islands Emergency Rental Assistance Program, or to see if you qualify, and to get an application, visit erap.vihfa.gov. Or you can contact the Virgin Islands Housing Finance Authority at 340-777-4655. In closing this afternoon, we have a few non-COVID related updates. This Wednesday, we would like you to join us this Wednesday, October 13th at 6 p.m. for Inside the Cabinet, which is a weekly virtual town hall that gives you the opportunity to ask questions and discuss topics of relevance with members of the Governor's Cabinet. This week's Inside the Cabinet features DPNR Commissioner Jean-Pierre Oriol. So tune in right here on our Facebook Live to watch it, or you can also watch it live on the Government Access channel, which is channel 27 if you have VIA. Also this week, Governor Bryan and Labor Commissioner Gary Malloy will host the latest episode of the Press Box. That is on Thursday, October 14th at 5:30 p.m. You can expect to hear a recap on the Governor's 2021 Workforce Summit, the administration's workforce development efforts, and a conversation on workforce opportunities in the territory. You can also watch that live right here on our Facebook page and on the Government Access channel. Again, that's channel 27 if you have VIA. I will take any questions from the media now, if there are any. Sarah Kirkpatrick from the Virgin Islands Daily News.
Good afternoon. No further questions at this time.
Okay, thank you, Sarah. Do we have any other media joining virtually? All right, well, that is it for this afternoon's briefings. Thank you. Remember, please wear your mask, continue to practice social distancing, and get the vaccine now that it is available. Thank you, and we'll see you all next Monday.